Oh, welcome back. E-cigarette, one more cause of infertility in young women. E-cigarette, the new trend in smoking is driving increased use of tobacco products among youths. Many young and pregnant women these days are smoking e-cigarette as a safer alternative to smoking. But what they are not aware is the fact that it affects their fertility and ability to conceive. As per a research study published in the Journal of the Endocrine Society, e-cigarette can delay pregnancy in young women. Researcher Kathleen Caron, PhD from the University of North Carolina, says, "We found that e-cigarette usage prior to conception significantly delayed implantation of a fertilized embryo to the uterus, thus delaying and reducing fertility in mice." That was the research. We also discovered that e-cigarette usage throughout pregnancy changed the long-term health and metabolism of female offspring, imparting lifelong second-generation effects on the growing fetus, along with the delayed pregnancy in the young mice. The offspring in the uterus fail to gain much weight when exposed to the vapor or e-cigarettes. So these findings are important because they change our views on the perceived safety of e-cigarette as alternative to traditional cigarette before and during pregnancy. So what other health issues are caused by this e-cigarette? Number one, e-cigarette contains nicotine, which leads to non-alcohol fatty liver disease. However, the long-term effect of e-cigarette on liver, pancreas, and heart are not completely known. So in a 12-week study, researchers including Dr. Theodore C. Friedman, MD, PhD, chairman of the Department of Internal Medicine and endowed professor of cardiometabolic medicine at Charles Ardue University of Medicine and Science, studied mice missing the gene for apolipoprotein E, which makes them more prone to developing heart disease and fat in the liver. RNA sequence analysis by researchers found changes in 433 genes that were associated with fatty liver development and progression in the mice exposed to e-cigarette. They also found out that the cardiac rhythm were changed in mice. So if you are planning to get pregnant or you are pregnant, kindly avoid e-cigarette or smoking. See you in the next video.